Hello crafty friends, this is Wendy Easler, Stampin' Up Independent Demonstrator, coming to you to do an unboxing of my pre-order. So what I have in this box is not only pre-order stuff for the brand new catalog, but a couple little items from the previous catalog that just look too awesome to pass up. So I wanted to share with you. So here we go. First things first is the awesome Stampin' Up Catalog. This catalog goes live June 4th, 2019. We should not go back in time. 2019, and that's when you can see the inside pages of this awesome catalog. But look at some of those projects used with some of these new products. Absolutely awesome. This is going to be an exciting catalog. I think I'll probably do a walkthrough of the catalog coming June 4th. So look for that. The first things first, this one looked so exciting. And that would be the, it starts with art stamp set. Some awesome projects were done with this. Let's see if I can get the glare off. And stuff, and I got the matching dies. The matching dies looks like it cuts out the pins, the spools of ribbon, and several of the other items, the little ink and things like that. So it's always good to have the matching dies for the big shot. I have Dazzling Diamonds, which is a very glittery powder used to embellish projects. I have the clear stamping embossing powder. So this is going to be awesome, used with our Stampin' Up inks to make all sorts of embossing colors. I have more of the envelopes. Absolutely love the rhinestones. I think rhinestones is now going to be a part of every one of my orders because they add so much shine to a project. This is the Magnolia Lane memory cards. We're not going to go through all of them right now, but I will open the packaging because in a minute I will show you the cards that are enclosed. We have this, which is a Follow Your Art Embellishment Kit. It goes with the stamp set and dies to make cute little projects. Let's see what's going on in here. Nothing like opening up new packaging. Woohoo! It looks like you get some paper clips, some little embellishments that say made with love, some felt pieces. Ooh, the different colored felt pieces, and these felt pieces can be added to projects individually. And then the baker's twine. Cool, cool, cool. And we have an embossing folder. This one is button. So as you can see, it's a bunch of buttons. That is going to look adorable on a card, especially with the Stamp Your Art Out kit. I have, this one's from the current catalog, Tea Together. I found that I had the dies to this, but did not have the stamp set. So, if I'm going to have the dies, gotta have the stamp set, because this is absolutely adorable. This one is Magnolia Memory, and Magnolia Memory dies goes with this awesome Magnolia Lane set. It's called Good Morning Magnolia. Sorry about the glare. But this big flower is what I was excited about. And then all the rest of it is like icing on the cake. Or should I say glitter on a card. Woohoo! So these paired with this equals awesome projects. And I was so excited to get this one. A good man. I do not make enough masculine cards. I've tried to shy away from it. I tried to avoid it. And it's inevitable. Because of course someone requested a masculine birthday card. And I struggled to make something because I didn't have too many masculine items. So on top of this, my next order will probably be more masculine paper. Colors and things like that. But this was absolutely gorgeous artwork. I love to see him relaxing, and then with a little boy and a little girl. And one of the stamps says, I grew up loved. That's what that says. So you can stamp that with either of these. I think it's going to be awesome. Being a good dad starts with being a good man. Awesome. And of course I had to get the Follow Your Art Designer Series paper. So the set is Follow Your Art Designer Series paper with the kit, with the buttons, with the, it starts with art, and with the arts and crafts die. Awesome bundle. And that is coming in the new catalog. This all bundled together, which makes a great savings and a wonderful benefit to get it all at once. So that is my little pre-order. I could have done bigger. I could have, because there's some awesome stuff that was offered in the pre-order. But this is exciting all by itself. So let's take a look at the Magnolia Lane cards. See what's on those. So inside of this box, you get what looks like, it's similar to like your Project Life cards, I think. Ooh, there it is. Okay, we're going to take the pokey tool and get this thing opened. There it is. Woohoo! Get the other one opened. Woohoo! And there will be no editing of this video. You're seeing it live and in person. Woohoo! Alrighty. So what we have here in this Magnolia Lane Memories and More card pack. These are Magnolia stickers. 2 sheets of them. And this little border. Hooray for today. Double-sided card. 2 of them. Ooh. Vellum sheets. I did not know that that was in there. Ooh. More vellum sheets. Ooh. That. You gotta love when stuff is 2-sided. It's like a twofold. 2-sided means you get more choices, but then 2-sided means you get more choices. So you've got this background, and you are my everything and more. That is beautiful. 2 of those. Another vellum sheet. This. 2 of those. Woohoo! 2 of those. It's exciting when there's 2 of everything. These are sticker embellishments. Words and stuff. Together is the best place to be. And then this. Those are pretty. And now the little cards. The first stack. You are loved. Ooh-wee. Cool. 2. 2 of those. 2 of those. 2 of those. It's like it's a never-ending box, right? 2 of those. Everyday moments. I am not a scrapbooker as much as I am a card maker on this day. So these would make awesome card fronts for me. And it kind of makes me want to try my hand at scrapbooking. You and me. Woohoo! Okay. Ooh, this is the last stack, I promise. I appreciate you hanging in there. Happy little moments. Place for you to journal and stuff. This side is so pretty. It's wonderful to have 2, because then you can use the front and then you can use the back of the second one. Front, the back. We're almost done. The front and then the back. Sending many warm wishes on your special day. These are beautiful cards. And once I start doing the projects, I will post more videos of the projects. Sounds great. Happy birthday. And this is the last one. Alrighty, so thank you so much for joining me for my little unboxing, and I hope that I can earn your business. You can contact me at Expressing My Heart here on YouTube or on Facebook or on my website, which is Wendy Easler, EASLER.stampinup.net. I would love to earn your business. Now, if you are sitting there thinking, you know, I could do this. I could order craft supplies, make projects, and have parties where I have friends and family over to do the same. And I'd love to get paid doing it. By all means, I'd love to have you on my team. Contact me. Reach out to me. I will send you information about joining Stampin' Up. And I will be there to support you in your business. Thank you so much for joining me. You have a great day.